All right, thank you so much for your time. We're here at the GBTA convention in San Diego, which is a huge meeting of the business travel community, and you've got some exciting news. Tell us what's new at United.
Yes, we have had a few exciting announcements. First was the launch of our United for Business Blueprint, which is our new global platform for doing contracts with large corporations. And the second was around greatly expanded functionality on our website and mobile app for business travelers who book directly on those channels.
And we were saying before, it's like that direct book messaging, and for a lot of SME companies around the world, is a very important one, and people like to deal direct a lot of the time now.
That's absolutely correct. We have a lot of customers, particularly in the small business, where their primary way of booking is to book directly with us. And we've heard a lot of feedback from them. They love booking direct, but there were some additional features and functionality we want. So be able to support the entire life cycle of a business traveler, from someone at the company just coming to our website and signing up for a program, to individual travelers booking, to perhaps what we call a travel arranger, maybe an assistant or a receptionist who books for other people. And then ultimately some of the company who wants to manage the overall travel, know what they've spent. Maybe someone hasn't used a ticket and they want to reallocate those ticket funds to someone else. So really kind of the end-to-end of the business travel is what we're building.
So it's a lot of flexibility then for corporations, isn't it, in terms of, like you said, even being able to change those tickets depending on which staff member can travel. So having that flexibility, very important that you guys offer that.
Yes, and it's been one of the top requests, is just unused tickets, and how do we keep track of them, and how do we reuse them, and not be stuck having to reuse it for the same person who booked it originally. Because in business, a lot of times things change, and we want to be able to support that.
And you've got a very loyal traveler base, don't you? Especially with corporates. I mean, you've got a lot of flyers who love flying for business and then using their points when they're going for leisure trips.
Yes, we absolutely do. We have 7 great hubs here in the United States that cover 7 of the 10 largest business markets. And because of that, and because of the services we provide, we do have a really loyal group of business travelers. And they often, yes, they like to use the points they accumulate to go many of the interesting places we fly, whether that is to go to Orlando and do the things there, or go to more exotic places like Amman, Jordan, or Tahiti.
And how exciting is it having these new lounge products like in Newark Airport, which is designed for both the business and leisure traveler?
Yeah, it's really nice, right? Historically, we have had kind of a very uniform lounge design. And we're moving to an aesthetic in each lounge that is very localized. And the first of those was our large new lounge that opened in Newark Airport just a couple months ago. It's the largest lounge we have in the system. And it has a very New York feel, right? There are kind of loft type spaces, there's coffee bars, there's a lot of great food there, and great views of the Manhattan skyline.
No, it's wonderful. Well, congrats on the success, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.